Benj, what are you reading? Oh, the Encyclopedia of Counseling. You helping Mommy study for her test? Oh, good job. Yeah, let's skip over that section. Oh, yeah, rip that page out. Yeah, I don't need to know that. Have you had enough studying? Oh, is that so much fun? Benji, is Mommy going to pass her test? What do you think? What do you think? Is Mommy going to pass her test? I don't know. Yeah? All right, good.